Hi, what's up everybody? Today I want to share with you how you could create your own AI agent trained on your own data to answer questions from your clients, use it for your internal knowledge base. If you have a lot of documents and you want to have one knowledge base which is chat based, and your employees could ask it anything or simply browse through your knowledge, find the relevant data, and send it back in an answer format. It's super easy to do. You just log into your Omnimind account, come here to create a new agent and click on get started. First is you want to select answer with knowledge because this is what the AI chatbot is based off, and yeah, it's the main use case for the AI chatbot. You don't need any of these other goals to set up. So next, here you don't really need any integrations unless you want to incorporate the chatbot with, for example, something like Slack. So we have a Slack integration, we have a WhatsApp integration as well. That's more relevant for example, customer support or anything like that. So if you want any integration, you could just list the integrations here, or you could just add them later. So either way, it's fine. Click on next. And here, of course, we wanna use our own knowledge, our own data to train the AI chatbot. So of course, yes, my agent needs to use my own data. So click on next. And now you define how you want to interact with your AI chatbot. So as we mentioned, if it's for your customers, you probably want it on something like Slack or WhatsApp, or even a chat widget on your website. It could also work, like for example, if you want to use it as your own assistant. So it's your own assistant. You could use it within the Omnimind platform, and you could select here, I will use the agent on my own. Most cases, it's going to be probably on Slack or something like that. For this use case, we'll just use the option to use it on your own. Here you could give a simple kind of introduction of how you want to use your AI chatbot. If you want to incorporate even some tools to it, maybe you wanted to go onto your Google Sheets, grab some information from there, use that as a knowledge, something like that. You could just specify it right here, and it will turn it into a workflow for your agent. So for now, we'll just skip. And this is where you add your knowledge. So your knowledge could be either a link, and the link would be, for example, your web pages. It could be some hosting pages where you host, for example, product catalogs, anything like that. Or it could be a link directly to your Google Docs. So you just copy the link, for example, of a Google spreadsheet and paste it here. Just make sure the spreadsheet has the right permission to be accessible by anybody, and it will use that as a knowledge. Second, you could just directly upload your documents here. So just drag and drop them. For example, PDFs, Word documents, zip files, anything like that. Just come on here and just drag and drop them here. Upload from your computer directly. Next, we have, this is another format of kind of how you want to interact with your chatbot. So as we mentioned, could be a pop-up chat, something like this. Could just work in the background and not be chat-based, but just take care of some tasks on your behalf. For example, check for free time slots on your Google Calendar, stuff like that. It could work that way. For this case, we want to have a real AI chatbot which will be interacting with, having a conversation with. So we'll just select chat and next. So here it will just create a basic workflow, but I'll show you later which tools, for example, to add if you have specific use cases. So as you remember, we had the prompt, and it takes your prompt and just generates a workflow relevant to what exactly you want to use the chatbot for. So this is the prompt it came up with. I'll show you later how you could add tools, add other knowledge, for example, connect it to your Slack, etc. So for now, let's just launch the AI agent, and I'll walk you through all kind of the capabilities that you could take advantage of. So first we have the tools. Just coming to the tools tab, and here you will find LLM, Google Calendar, as we mentioned previously, website content extractor. Most of these would not be really relevant for an AI chatbot because mostly you will be taking advantage of the knowledge that we discussed previously. So you just come here and just upload your documents, anything specific to your company, products, anything, just upload it right here. Next, we wanna check out the triggers as well. So you could set up a trigger-based chatbot. The chatbot could trigger, for example, on a time basis. So we could check up with you hourly or any time frame you wanna like apply for the specific use case. And lastly, I want to show you how you could install it directly with Slack or WhatsApp. So you come here to the install tab, go to messengers, and this is where you connect your chatbot to your Slack workspace or it could also work directly into your WhatsApp. So it's super easy to set up. As you can see here, we have all the instructions. It's like 5 or 6 steps. And yeah, there you go. So it's super easy to come here on Omnimind with zero AI knowledge, zero coding experience, and just get started right away. Create your own AI chatbots, AI agents, anything like that. Make sure you check out our blog, check out our other tutorials we have on YouTube, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.